Hey everyone, what's up? It's Sahil, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that I know a lot of you are interested in, passive income. Specifically, we're going on a 30-day challenge to see if we can generate an extra $1,000 online this month. Now, before we get started, I want to be clear. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is about putting in the work up front to build income streams that can continue to generate money over time, even while you sleep. Over the next 30 days, I'm going to walk you through 4 different passive income methods that you can start implementing today. We'll break down each method step by step, and I'll give you actionable advice that you can use to start seeing results. Are you ready to make some extra cash? Let's do this. Alright, before we jump into the specific methods, let's take a minute to talk about what passive income actually is. Passive income is a concept that has gained a lot of attention in recent years, and for good reason. It's a way to generate money that doesn't require you to trade your time directly for it. Instead of working a traditional job where you clock in and out, passive income allows you to build systems that work for you, even when you're not actively working. Essentially, it's about generating money that doesn't require you to trade your time directly for it. Imagine having a source of income that continues to flow in, even when you're sleeping, spending time with family, or pursuing your hobbies. This is the essence of passive income. It's about creating a financial ecosystem that supports you without constant effort. It's about building systems that work for you, even when you're not actively working. These systems can take many forms, such as investments, online businesses, or automated services. The key is to set them up in a way that they require minimal maintenance and can operate independently. This way, you can focus on other important aspects of your life while your income streams continue to grow. Think about it like this. A traditional job is like trading hours for dollars. You clock in, you work, you get paid. It's a straightforward exchange of your time and effort for money. However, this model has its limitations. You're restricted by the number of hours in a day, and the amount of energy you can expend. This is where passive income offers a significant advantage. You clock in, you work, you get paid, but with passive income, you're building assets that generate income on their own. These assets can be anything from rental properties to digital products. The idea is to create something that has the potential to earn money over time, with little to no ongoing effort from you. This way, you can break free from the cycle of trading time for money. But with passive income, you're building assets that generate income on their own. This could be anything from creating and selling an online course to investing in dividend-paying stocks. The possibilities are vast and varied, allowing you to choose the methods that align with your interests and skills. The key is to start building these assets as soon as possible so they can begin to generate income for you. This could be anything from creating and selling an online course to investing in dividend-paying stocks. The beauty of passive income is that it can free up your time and give you more financial freedom. Imagine being able to spend more time with your loved ones, travel the world, or pursue your passions, all while your income streams continue to flow in. This is the ultimate goal of passive income. The beauty of passive income is that it can free up your time and give you more financial freedom. Now, passive income isn't about getting rich quick. It takes effort, especially up front. You'll need to invest time, energy, and sometimes money to set up these income streams, but the rewards can be huge. Once your systems are in place, they can continue to generate income with minimal effort from you. Now, passive income isn't about getting rich quick. It takes effort, especially up front. You'll need to invest time, energy, and sometimes money to set up these income streams, but the rewards can be huge. Imagine having multiple streams of income flowing in, even while you're on vacation or pursuing your passions. This is the power of passive income. It takes effort, especially up front, but the rewards can be huge. Imagine having multiple streams of income flowing in, even while you're on vacation or pursuing your passions. This is the power of passive income. It allows you to create a life of financial stability and freedom, where you're not constantly worrying about money or working long hours to make ends meet. But the rewards can be huge. Imagine having multiple streams of income flowing in, even while you're on vacation or pursuing your passions. That's the power of passive income. It allows you to create a life of financial stability and freedom, where you're not constantly worrying about money or working long hours to make ends meet. And in this challenge, we're going to focus on online methods, because the internet provides incredible opportunities to reach a global audience and scale your income. Imagine having multiple streams of income flowing in, even while you're on vacation or pursuing your passions. That's the power of passive income. And in this challenge, we're going to focus on online methods, because the internet provides incredible opportunities to reach a global audience and scale your income. With the right strategies, you can build a sustainable and profitable online business that generates passive income for years to come. That's the power of passive income. And in this challenge, we're going to focus on online methods, because the internet provides incredible opportunities to reach a global audience and scale your income. With the right strategies, you can build a sustainable and profitable online business that generates passive income for years to come. So, are you ready to start building your own passive income streams? And in this challenge, we're going to focus on online methods, because the internet provides incredible opportunities to reach a global audience and scale your income. With the right strategies, you can build a sustainable and profitable online business that generates passive income for years to come. So, are you ready to start building your own passive income streams? Let's dive into our first method. So, are you ready to start building your own passive income streams? Let's dive into our first method. In the upcoming sections, we'll explore various online methods that you can use to create passive income. From affiliate marketing to creating digital products, we'll cover a range of strategies that can help you achieve financial freedom. Get ready to take notes and implement these methods to start your journey towards passive income. Let's dive into our first method. In the upcoming sections, we'll explore various online methods that you can use to create passive income. From affiliate marketing to creating digital products, we'll cover a range of strategies that can help you achieve financial freedom. Get ready to take notes and implement these methods to start your journey towards passive income. Let's get started. Our first passive income method is affiliate marketing. This method has gained immense popularity over the years due to its simplicity and potential for high earnings. Many people have turned their hobbies and interests into profitable ventures through affiliate marketing. In a nutshell, affiliate marketing is about promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission on any sales you generate. It's a win-win situation for both the affiliate and the product owner. The affiliate gets to earn money without having to create their own product, and the product owner gets more sales and exposure. Here's how it works. You find a product you love and think your audience would find valuable. This is crucial because promoting something you genuinely believe in makes your marketing efforts more authentic and effective. You sign up for their affiliate program, and they give you a unique link to share. This link tracks all the sales you generate, ensuring you get credited for your efforts. Many companies offer detailed analytics so you can see how well your links are performing. Then you promote that link on your website, social media, or through email marketing. The more places you share your link, the higher your chances of making sales. It's important to use multiple channels to reach a broader audience. Whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The commission rates can vary widely depending on the product and the affiliate program, but they typically range from 5% to 50% or even higher for digital products. The key to success with affiliate marketing is to be authentic and promote products that you genuinely believe in. Your audience can tell when you're being sincere, and this builds trust, which is essential for long-term success. Don't just try to sell anything and everything. Focus on a niche that you are passionate about and that aligns with your audience's interests. This will make your marketing efforts more targeted and effective. Focus on providing value to your audience, and the commissions will follow. Create content that educates, entertains, or solves a problem for your audience. This will make them more likely to trust your recommendations and click on your affiliate links. One of the best things about affiliate marketing is that it's relatively low cost to get started. You don't need to invest in inventory or worry about shipping products. All you need is a platform to promote your links, such as a blog, YouTube channel, or social media account. You don't need to create your own products, and you can start promoting products right away. This makes it an excellent option for beginners who want to dip their toes into the world of online business without a significant upfront investment. Plus, there are tons of affiliate programs out there for every niche imaginable. Whether you're into fitness, cooking, technology, or any other interest, you can find affiliate programs that offer products your audience will love. Whether you're passionate about technology, fashion, or personal finance, you can find products to promote that align with your interests. This alignment not only makes your marketing efforts more enjoyable but also more credible to your audience, increasing your chances of success. Chapter 3. Print on demand, designing your way to passive income. Next up, we have print on demand, a fantastic option for creative individuals. This business model allows you to leverage your artistic skills and turn them into a steady stream of income. Imagine being able to create unique designs from the comfort of your home and seeing them come to life on various products. With print on demand, you can design and sell custom merchandise without ever having to hold any inventory. This means you don't need to worry about storage space or upfront costs for bulk orders. The beauty of this model is its simplicity and efficiency. Here's the deal. You create designs for t-shirts, hoodies, tote bags, and more. The possibilities are endless. You can let your creativity run wild and experiment with different styles and themes, mugs, phone cases, posters, and even home decor items. The range of products you can customize is vast, giving you plenty of opportunities to find what resonates with your audience, or any other product offered by a print-on-demand company. These companies have a wide array of items that you can personalize with your designs, making it easy to cater to different tastes and preferences. You upload your designs to their platform, and they handle the rest. This includes everything from printing to shipping. You don't have to worry about the technical aspects of production, which allows you to focus on what you do best, creating amazing designs. When someone orders your product, the print-on-demand company prints, packages, and ships it directly to the customer. This seamless process ensures that your customers receive high-quality products without any delays. You don't have to worry about any of the logistics, and you only pay for the product when it's sold. This means there's minimal financial risk involved, making it an ideal option for those just starting out or looking to expand their existing business. This is a fantastic way to monetize your creativity and build a brand around your designs. By consistently producing high-quality work, you can establish a strong brand identity that resonates with your target audience. You can create designs for specific niches, target your ideal customers, and tailor your marketing efforts to reach them effectively. Understanding your audience's preferences and trends can significantly boost your sales, and even build a loyal following. Engaging with your customers through social media and other platforms can help you create a community around your brand, leading to repeat business and word-of-mouth referrals. And the best part? You can create a whole shop full of designs and let them generate passive income for you 24/7. Your online store can keep making sales even while you sleep, providing a steady stream of revenue. Each sale might be a smaller amount, but those small amounts can really add up over time, especially if you have a lot of designs available. The more designs you create, the greater your potential for earning passive income. So keep brainstorming and experimenting with new ideas. The more diverse your portfolio, the more chances you have to attract different customer segments. Remember, the key to success in print on demand is creativity, consistency, and understanding your market. Chapter 4: Online Courses. Sharing your knowledge for profit. Now let's talk about online courses, a powerful way to package your knowledge and expertise into a product that you can sell over and over again. Think about your skills and passions. What are you good at? What do people always ask you for help with? These are all potential topics for an online course. Once you've identified your course topic, it's time to create valuable content that will teach your students something new. This could include video lessons, downloadable worksheets, quizzes, and even community forums. Platforms like Teachable or Thinkific make it incredibly easy to host and sell your online courses. You can set your own prices, create marketing materials, and even track your sales all in one place. Creating an online course does require an upfront time investment, but once it's created, it can generate passive income for years to come. Plus, you get the satisfaction of helping others learn and grow while building a sustainable business. Chapter 5: Stock Photography. Turning your photos into passive income. Our final passive income method for this challenge is stock photography. If you have a knack for photography, this could be a great option for you. Stock photography websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStockPhoto are constantly looking for high-quality images to add to their libraries. Here's how it works. You upload your photos to these platforms, and every time someone licenses one of your images, you earn a royalty. The key here is to focus on taking high-quality, in-demand photos. Think about what businesses and marketers are looking for: images of people working, lifestyle shots, travel destinations, and abstract concepts. While you won't get rich overnight with stock photography, it can be a great way to generate some passive income from your existing photos. Plus, it's a fantastic way to get your work out there and build a portfolio. Outro, start your passive income journey today. There you have it. 4 powerful methods to kickstart your passive income journey and potentially earn an extra $1,000 this month. Remember, this is a challenge, so I encourage you to pick 1 or 2 methods that resonate with you and really dive in. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more money-making tips and strategies. And be sure to let me know in the comments which passive income method you're most excited to try. I'm rooting for your success. Now get out there and start building your passive income empire.